Verizon Router Setup Guide. Check that you have all the necessary components, including the router, power adapter, and Ethernet cables. Plug the router into a power outlet using the included adapter. Wait for the power light to turn on. If using a fiber connection, connect the router to your ONT optical network terminal using the Ethernet cable. If using a DSL connection, connect the router to the DSL port. Connect your computer or smartphone to the router using Wi-Fi. Default credentials are on a sticker on the router or via Ethernet. Open a web browser and type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Log in using the admin credentials, also on the router label. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your Verizon service. You may need your Verizon account credentials or activation code. Change the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password to something unique. Update the admin password for extra security. Online setup deals. Verizon often offers discounts or gift cards for new customers who complete self-setup. Mobile plus internet bundles. Verizon frequently has promos for bundling mobile plans with Fios or 5G home internet, including discounts or perks like streaming services. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.